Okay, welcome to my channel, and today in today's class we'll learn about AutoCAD, what is AutoCAD, what is the use of AutoCAD, and finally the shortcut keys, icons mainly used in AutoCAD. So here is the file open in AutoCAD. uh, let's and now the AutoCAD is what do you understand by AutoCAD? AutoCAD is the computer drafting program used for different designs programs, like you can simply used as a 2D design of buildings, ways, any other structures, engineering structures mainly, mechanical engineering also we can. And it is supported of digital precious help with measurement and calculation, 3D components. We can also use 3D design in AutoCAD, Autodesk. And the main meaning of AutoCAD is the computer aided software developed by the companies, and it allows us to draw and edit the digital 2D and 3D design most quickly and easily that could by hand. And the main disadvantage is that we can't make animation using AutoCAD. We can design 2D and 3D. We can it's in simple way, but we can't animate, we can't make up videos, we can't export images in from Autodesk, or we can simply tell AutoCAD. Now what is the importance? Importance means how can we use, or where can we use the AutoCAD? It's like it is used in automation, yeah, and engineering. We can use in interior design also. We can simply use and interior design, then 3D modeling, architecture and drafting also. Architecture also mainly use AutoCAD. After that, automobiles design, yeah, 2D drawing, mechanical designer also used AutoCAD. And they are the field where AutoCAD is used. And what is the using? What types of design we used in AutoCAD is mainly like 2D and 3D drafting design, modeling with solids, surface, mesh objects, documentation features, and more. They can used for AutoCAD is used for. And there are some importance of AutoCAD, or we can usually say the advantage of AutoCAD, that is versatility. The main advantage of AutoCAD is versatility, easy documentation and annotation, though we can easily document it. And after that, increased efficiency. The AutoCAD while we used AutoCAD in design, its our efficiency is increased. The time will be less, so improve visualization. It improve our visualization. It improve our the designer visualization. Also, application are graphs of all the kinds, and there are much more advantages, and I have already told about the disadvantage. And now let's move to the shortcut keys, main shortcut keys while we are designing in AutoCAD. So first of all, the main shortcut keys are simply tell the main key for design is line. We must So draw the line first. So for line we have to press L and just enter it. Then click on the screen. Then how much length? We got suppose 10 feet length, then type 10 feet, enter. Then 10 feet length, 10 feet of line will be appear on the screen. And now similarly, if we want a circle of radius 5 feet, just press the C, then enter and select the base point and click 5 feet, enter. Then this is the circle of radius 5 feet. Then if we want more circle in the offset of in the difference of 5 to 2 feet, then just press O, enter. We want offset, we can do offset of it, so O, enter. Then select the O, enter and select the distance. We have to 1 feet, enter. Then select the circle and click on outward of the circle like this. And how much we want, we can use it. So this is the now. Now we want more circle in left or right side of it. Same circle, then select all it. We want to copy it and move it. Select the all circles, then press C, O, enter. Select the base point and move towards left or right side, upward, downward, right, left, how much we want and how many copies we want, we can just take it. Now if you want, this is the copy process, yeah. And but if you want to move this all portion to another point, then just press M key and enter it, and we can move it like this. Okay, now we want now just we don't want these lines inside the circle, yeah. So just press TR for trim. We can trim it like this. Then just escape it, and now we want this line goes up to the circle, so we can't the process is L, enter, and this so difficult. So just extend this line up to here. For that just press EX, enter, and now select the lines. There is the extend line. It is extend. Now here is polyline for PL, enter. Then we can draw polyline how much we want. This is the polyline. Arc, A, enter for arc. Select the 2 points. Then what type of arc we want, we just take it. See, this is the perfect circle now. And suppose we have drawing. Suppose see this calendar. This the line is coming only in horizontal and vertical. What if we want to draw inclined line? Then just we have to do is off the ortho mode. Ortho mode should be off. Ortho mode, this is the ortho key. See this ortho mode. So just press it, and here is command ortho off. So ortho mode is off now. Now we can easily draw the inclined line like this. Okay, suppose. And now if we want to join these two lines, this line and this line, which are not parallel to each other, then just press F, enter, and select the two lines. Then it will automatically join Now for the dimension, if we want to measure the dimension, just press TAL, enter, and select the starting point and click on the end point. Then here is the dimension for 10 feet and scaled. These are the shortcut keys, and if you want to change the colors or the lines thickness, then from here we can just increase, decrease, and make it align. We can easily make it align series. That's called it align. And this is the keys, inserts, animative, parametric. They are the all the sort. They are not much more importance. We will learn. And now the main things is if we want to save it, how to save. Just here is file, click on file and save. But if you want this file in 2007 version or 2018 version, then what just we can do is click on the file, save as. Now select here, select the select which version you want. This is my 2022 version, so 2018, 2013, 2010, 2007, which version you want, you can just select it and save it. Okay, thank you this much for today. Thank you.